Tuesday, October 25, 2016, on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 My TV, and on top where you just need to turn your antenna small, UHF 57, you're going to see us live and direct for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. I say make I leave the freshest for the last. DSTV channel 259. So you don't get any excuse not to watch the Ogbonge television station. And we do on top of internet too, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. So all the issues when they affect us inside the Bodo Nigeria, you self get the license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way anything be you for body. We no go waste time, we will go straight into the discussion when we carry come. My name is Ezugu Chukwudi and I go introduce our Ogbonge visitor when we say every time when we talk about issues when they affect us inside the Bodo Nigeria, he go carry speed, enter inside studio, sit down, discuss am from the bottom of his heart, and he go talk am well. If you go in area, they go tell you say he get history, and in history now from primary school, now he don dey lead, and he don lead enter the level where we say he don also lead for inside government, and now he dey lead from the point of comrade. They talk issues when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria, and they talk of no other than the one when they call the AAA, Comrade Ayodele Adewale Adebowale. Welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Thank you for having me.
And I say the way you take even come. Just keep your face straight. If you like say this issue will carry come, now something when we say they touch you, and we'll go discuss and where. Welcome once again to As It Dey Hot.
Thank you.
We'll not go waste time straight. We'll just go straight into our discussion. And we call this one Niger Delta Problems Without End. Now question mark we put there. Everybody knows say on top of As It Dey Hot, myself and Nkubi, we they talk and say issues when it be like say sometime we they forget them, or other ones they enter first, you go enter second. We no go forget them, we'll carry and come they discuss them, make everybody talk about them. On top of this show, we don't talk so much about the Niger Delta and the fact say we need to find lasting solution to the problem when they there and see say we solve the problems once and for all. Oga President be not the talk since saying go like sit down do meeting with the major interest for inside the Niger Delta, that is the elders, the leaders, and the young people when we say they don't come and talk say we won't find permanent solutions to our problems. But the problem now where this meeting go hold, when this meeting go hold and waiting go be the subject of discussion, they don't put some kind date, they don't shift them. But the latest one I say the last weekday of this month of October, they go sit down and discuss. But it gets some people when we say in the equation, they don't come change everything, and then be the game changers, the Niger Delta Avengers. Based on say from 2-point-something million barrels when they produce every day, the thing now reduce well based on their jagudaness and their badness inside the oil pipeline. Then when they inside Obodo Nigeria, they don't come out again come talk say that meeting when Oga President want meet with the leaders and elders and some other stakeholders for the Niger Delta, say the meeting must not hold though, because they don't believe in those elders, they don't believe in those leaders. Them we go discuss this particular issue and see how we go find permanent solutions to the problem. We go check the commitment of government to this particular issue and see what we go do. We'll go anywhere. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue the discussion as it dey hot. We'll come back. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Straight, we don't hear the question and we'll go delve into the discussion. Our Ogbonge visitor, first question when I go ask, why it be say plenty Nigerians that they fear government? If government come and talk say, see what you want to do, people go talk say, I dey fear say this government no go fit do this thing when they talk say they go do. Shey na say government, when you enter government, even if you be person when they talk through before, all of a sudden you go begin to talk lie. I mean, I saw Nigerian government they structured.
First and foremost, I thank you for this opportunity. Waiting me, I see there, they say, Oyinbo man get one saying where they talk. Say, once beaten, twice shy.
Okay.
Waiting happen, they say, the way some of our leaders don't behave before, in the past, it don't make plenty people won't trust government again. And people forget, say, na them be government. Na them be government. But the way you put them, na be the govern.
True.
And there is no how you go get good leader if you don't get good follower.
True.
Now, because from the follower, now the leader they come.
Very true.
But if you also look for some kind corner for Nigeria, when you mention some people say they be leader, because they say everybody will just follow. Whatever they will do, people will go sleep. Say they know say that person will represent them well.
Very true.
When you get some other area, when you mention somebody's name like this, people go say no, 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 no. They go they shout they don't want them. Because the kind bad thing when you don't do for past, can't confront them, can't mirror them. People go say this kind of person no fit protect our interest.
True.
Nobody say we don't get better people. Better people bokun the day. Among the better people we dey in recent time, when they say they leave, so they don't stay since when Nigeria don't come. na him be Soyinka. If you mention Soyinka everywhere, everybody go say yes. We believe say if he talk our talk.
Very true.
When Nana Oro dey alive, particularly when Gani Fawemi dey alive, if you mention Gani name, everybody Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, everybody go kill him.
True.
If you mention Beko name, they go kill him. Even recently, as we dey, where we dey live now, among our political leaders, once you mention Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, people go kill him. They go even tell you, say, make I just see him. If I say I don't benefit. Even if he don't give you anything, they believe say once you see him, it go solve your problem.
Very true.
So we still get leaders like that. Even say Baba, when they come that time, people they vote without even thinking that they won't collect anything.
Very true.
You see the crowd we see everywhere. No be money bring them, and all of that. But that not to say bad people don't spoil all the good people we dey.
From this particular explanation when you give, it don't dey very, very clear. Say government, now different people they come inside government. Bad ones they, good ones they.
Everybody
but if we
dey.
support the good ones over the bad ones, let me say we go flush out the bad ones and the good ones they will come continue to they do waiting go make everybody inside the country belle sweet. But me I come from this angle now. Now this government don't come out come talk say okay the issue of Niger Delta na very serious issue and they wan try solve the problem once and for all. But some people still dey feel say the method wey this government dey use no different from the one wey be say the previous governments dey use before, and if you dey use method wey no go work, when you don use am before e no even work, if you come dey use am again e dey very, very sure say your results go be failed results. Now they don come and come talk say okay o they wan meet with these people, they wan meet with these people. Now these people wey you talk say you wan meet with na the same people wey be say the previous government meet with, when dem come up with plan wey be say certain people come turn billionaires, meanwhile the people still dey suffer, their area still dey bad. You no think say this government suppose go back try see how they go take do am, abi they no get idea on how to solve this problem at all?
Well, when you talk of method, for like make you explain that well.
Okay.
Like, me I dey catch am
Okay.
for the benefit of our people.
Okay.
Wey dey for house. Make
Okay.
dem take understand.
Make I break am down now. Under Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, the late Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, we been see issues of kidnapping and some other kind of problems. Now they come talk say okay, say rather than use force, make them dialogue. Our former president even talk of the carrot and the stick approach. Make them dialogue, make them sit down, make them discuss. Now they come sit down, come discuss. But people they talk say the people when you they sit down with, when you they discuss with, not be the people when even they feel the pain at all. Or these people when you sit down and discuss with them, anything when they tell you, it not really reflect on the life of the people because they don't really understand them. Now this same government now don't come talk say okay, rather than use force, even though we get Operation Crocodile Smile on the one hand, make we sit down, make we discuss. But these same people when they been discussed with under Yar'Adua, now you they sit down they discuss with. Why discuss with people when we say una don't discuss with before and una no go forward?
Well, the people get reason to talk within them talk.
Okay.
And as I know this government well, they no go only discuss with those people where you mentioned.
Okay.
They go discuss with several people.
Okay.
But from civil society where me I come from, the time we buy now they are alive. We Beko they are alive. We Gani they are alive. Me I follow them as mobilizing officer. And now I'm a chairman, Beko na deputy, showing kind of vice. Mama Jadi Sola Konde, professor for law, and they write everything they put on together. And me come in mobilization, they go find people come. Make we do what we do that time. We call it a Sovereign National Conference, SNC. You see, for SNC, everybody is involved. Everybody is involved.
Whether big or small, Christian or Muslim.
Everybody is involved. Now, how we go take get the people? You know, say they get traditional rulers for there. They must call them.
True.
They get youth leaders there. They get youth. You go allow, you know the traditional ruler, we don't know who be ruler. So we go just call them come. For the youths, now we'll give them a chance to either appoint or elect their leader. All our mama them, our sister them, the women them, they say go come together, appoint or elect one person. Now, the people they say market, they say go bring their leader. Mechanical, baba, organizer, all the artisans, they go bring their leader. The security where they are operatives, soldier, police, or navy, SSS, they go bring person. Now, when they call it the multinational company, safe, they go bring their person. Everybody for that community will bring one person. When we all sit down, or that you talk, because if you don't follow that process, person will say no be we appoint them. It is beyond the leader where they don't know, because they believe say those ones don't fail them.
Very true.
Now, those ones, as they talk, they will go talk on their behalf. waiting they're supposed to bring come house, you no go reach house.
Exactly.
Now, the governor for there, where they elect, either they elect him truly or wrongly, but na governor.
True.
Himself must come there.
Exactly.
The local government chairman must come there.
Exactly.
The House of Rep must stay there.
Councillor.
The councillor must stay there. Everybody must get representation. So that waiting on a talk, you must talk the talk of your people for house. As they pain them.
True.
As should they pain them. Now, waiting on a talk, maybe one day the talk will end. The discussion, the agreement, I will go back house.
Go discuss.
Go discuss am. Say, now like this, we don't talk. Now this, they go bring hospital, they go do this, they go do this. Chairman, local government, they give money, he must build hospital, must build primary school, must do this, must do this. State governor must do road, must provide this, must provide that, must provide that. Then the presidency, the federal, must do this, do this. If na resource control, that go talk for there. The agreement, when I agree, they go talk, they go buy themselves for that talk place. So they go buy themselves, they go shout for themselves.
But at the end
of the day, they go agree. Now, the agreement where they agree, they go back house. So when they discuss with their own people, they go make them see reason why they won't agree to that talk where they bring. Then they will come back, sit down again.
The way you take explain this thing, the thing can't be like say this problem, maybe a spiritual problem. Because they go discuss, they go back house, they go come back, they go back, they go come back house. But if we look the problem of the Niger Delta, the problem when they from the start of the days of them Isaac Adakaboro, reach Ken Saruwa, enter Sarido Kubo, go enter Niger Delta Avengers, the problem remains the same.
With due respect, there is no problem anywhere.
So Niger Delta no get problem?
No, make a qualify am.
Okay.
There's no problem anywhere. Now we be our problem. You and I know, say, we deserve better school.
Okay.
We deserve better health center.
Okay.
We deserve better road.
True.
Somebody go tell you, say, because of the terrain. Now lie, I be scientist. Nothing like terrain. God don't give us the knowledge to subdue terrain.
True.
If for China, they fit build bridge on top sea. For CO, to go one small community, one small island. The bridge span over 40 kilometers.
40 kilometers?
Over 40 kilometer bridge. You can't go one small island. They do it for China. That the money where they go even make from that small community, till their kingdom come, they don't fit get that resources from that bridge. But they don't say their people supposed to come outside. Because that bridge will expand that place.
True.
Now, what in the Niger Delta? You have more of mangroves, more of water. There's something called piling. If we sincerely spend the money, local government sincerely spend their own, state sincerely spend their own, even if they don't fit put iron for ground, they call something flotilla. You can build a floating school. You can build a floating city. We see them now. Is there America? Is there for Europe? You can convert their shit to energy. You understand? Bioenergy. You go combust them. You go power their light, go give them gas, methane. They go cook. What did they talk? We say, if they go Abuja, they see better road. They say, one better road. They go there, they see better people. They smell nice, they chop nice. They say, one chop nice. The oil way they take now from their place. Why you don't fit spend that for their place? But when they ask even self, the little way we don't get from that place, what we give to the leaders there, what have they done with it?
Talking about the little when they don't get, when the leaders no use well, maybe we can't discuss them now. We know say, as Nigeria dey so, we get exclusive, concurrent, and residual list. And everybody knows say the federal government, the business of the federal government, and everything when they say exclusive list. And when people talk about oil exploration inside the Nigeria, now the work of the federal government. Without talking about political parties now, because it's independence, Nigeria don't get different political parties, but the same people when they play inside these political parties, they remain the same. So we come on political, but we talk about the political class. A lot of these people don't benefit from say oil money when they chop. Some people don't argue, say, certain people when they come from their region, now they get oil wells, but we will not talk about that particular one. Some people don't already talk, say, okay, when they collect this thing when they are our land, when they go other places, go develop our land, we no fit fish, we no fit farm. Now, the question when I want to ask is, say, the members of our political class, when go come during election, they promise us this, promise us that. This thing when you talk now about the bridge when link community, small community, 40-kilometer bridge for China, they know they see them, they know they travel out. What if we go talk about these people? Not be whether leaders of the Niger Delta, the political elite now. People when we say 1979, they government, 1993, they government, 1999, they government, till today they see the government. How these people now, when they government till now, don't come change their particular mindset I mean, at the same Jangilova kind of situation, and we see the experience.
See, Bible talks, say, when the righteous come to power, the people go jolly jolly. I tell you, say, the leadership, the kind of leadership we get is a reflection of the kind of followership we get.
Okay.
If you get followership, you say that chop, 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 pure, 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 pure.
But who they give them the thing to chop now?
You won't head this your studio. I know say you get the brain to head up. Somebody come where I know say he no even put arrange paper the way you arrange it, way you fit read down. He come say he give you rice, he give you matches, he give you salt. Me I can't leave you because your knicker don't tear, your shoe don't tear. Because you don't feel afford to even enter bus here go CMS, but you get the brain. I can't go vote for that.
But the reason why he give me rice now because I dey hungry. Who put me for that hunger situation when I dey?
If we elect you, we get the brain. You go solve the problem. We go give us rice without go begging.
Okay.
That is, you go help give us better education.
Okay.
Where we go take strengthen ourselves, can't get money, get better job, can't get money to buy that rice.
Okay.
I no go wait say because they give me rice. How many times I go dey wait for rice make you can't give me chop? And that money where he buy the rice can't give me chop. Now from somewhere he collect am.
Exactly.
And he must pay those people back.
Exactly.
And he must take care of himself.
Exactly.
So how he go can't get time take care of us, take care of community.
Now.
So now the people be part of their problem. And the thing we say we must sharp iron, we must open our eyes well to take the. We know the better people for community. All of us they community.
Not true.
We know the one where they do thief from when he be small pikin. Can't carry thief enter university, they go skate first. We know the one where they say it is very organized. If you even give her anything, go say no. Say the guy will give her and don't do.
Okay.
If you leave your money for gram, then go contact you say, brother John, you forget money for here now. Next time, don't leave your money there. Take. I see them for you. If you give us something, say, no, are they okay? We they see these kind of people for community. But because of say stomach infrastructure, at times we go close our eyes. Go take bad person because don't give us.
What about the political parties where these people go come out from? We dey talk about godfathers.
Wait now, this you get container. This na container. No be the container be the problem. Na the content.
Okay.
This na paper be. Why you buy the paper? Now wetin you wan read inside? I make you buy the paper.
True.
Na the people. Na it matter. No be the party.
No, but my question.
Wetin be APC? APC na just party. Na you no get name. Na just ordinary party. Na the people wey enter am. Can't give her life. Now I make APC be APC.
But my question, I say, me when I get brain, when my trousers don't tear, when my shoe don't chop for under, I can't enter. You can't tell me, say, how much I get when go feed. Because we don't know how much some of these political parties, they sell for.
Make I tell you one thing. I'll give myself as a case study.
Okay.
When I did university, I enter for 100 level. I tell my friends, say, I want contest for president of student union. He say, why be you be this butter boy, mommy boy. Now this kind of way they talk. The name Nakao Deleson, they London now. With Gunda Misi, with the Sahara reporter. They do Sahara reporter together and all of that. I say, but I feel do am now. He say, I beg.
He writes you off.
He write me, I don't talk. I enter LASU. He come carry me, okay, come parliament. I enter parliament. I see how they do am. This I start my own. We can't vote on our friend, enter. His name is Jaji Said. A lecturer for Laspo Tech now, in the welfare. I did for welfare committee for parliament. I enter. I can't begin to go all the shop. And they see say the water they take wash plate, dirty water. The meat so they give a very tiny meat. The turkey, tiny turkey. And from 7 years old, my mama don't they carry me go market. I don't they cook for seven. And they go market. I know when they say carton of turkey. I know say and they say soap. I can't call the mama come. This soap no good. I begin affect the welfare of the student possibly. They say, see, that this one they affect. To cut the story short, at the other level, I call that one level. I say, I want content for president. I say, I beg, you're too small. Now 500 go do. Say, why you don't do welfare? I say, no, I don't see the opportunity. They don't believe me. I can't carry, no, I feel I afford the form. I can't go carry brown envelope. Can't they go from department to department? I even affected my faculty because that time I get something we no get. Now me go lead struggle. Go me vice chancellor. Go they fear. Me I go ask them. Say, why we no get that now? Politely, no be say na wuru way. No be greedy. I go lie down. Beg. I say, but sir, we no get share. We no get it. We no get that. Student they see am. Say this person if he talk for us, I can't carry my envelope. Can't come to the department. I beg. I want contact for president. Because they don't see, say, I don't affect them before, they begin gather money. I was looking for 2,400 naira to buy phone. I ended up getting 7,600 naira. Now, you think say when you put your money, you no go protect them.
Not true.
I can't buy my phone. All the students, even law students, where they do pay, all these law students, now they come the champion the thing. My election entered midnight for the first time. I contested with 12 people. I was the only one in 200 level. The rest, 500, 400. I win them. I can't do, take and enter civil society. I can't come my local government. I campaigned for 4 years every day. Waiting I carry my backpack, my jeans, and my moccasin, and my t-shirt. So the motto my mama buy for me for university, Bluebird 2.0, I sell that for 34,000 naira. Take do hand bill. I go come in to talk to you, say, I feel do. And they say, don't be like just talk. I go tell you how I go take do. So I was reaching out to people, reaching out. Now people can't say, nah, him we want. So I can't go meet Mama Jai Sola Konde. Mama can say, okay, I will go support you. One day I want to do my declaration. I needed about 40,000. I don't raise about 30. It can't remain 10. I can't go my ATM. Before I go, Mama can't call me a day before. Say, you never call me now. Say, make I give you money. I say, Mama, I go one meeting for money now. Say the one way they talk, say if you don't do, we say no. Say go set that $1 in PA. He can't make I go check my account the next morning. I can't go there. I can't collect the last 10,000. It will come and remain 1,000. You know, say you get balance at that time for GTB. So I when my mom comes, say, money don't enter. I never tell you. I say, okay, make I go. I can't press it. I can't see 1000. I can't look the ATM like they can't
count the zero to confirm.
I don't expect, say she will give me 100,000. 100,000, that's a big money.
Very big money.
And for you, I'm saying you don't invest everything. For 4 years campaign, you don't invest everything. The largest amount with my friends they give me, now 10,000. You can at least hit 50,000. So we'll give you 2,000, 3,000. So when I see the money, my brain won't blow.
So from this story now, it's very, very evident. Say
anybody
who get the interest of Nigerians at heart, when come out,
the time where Baba Buhari come out, where I should go bring them, package them, all of them put forces together. They don't get the kind of money where Jonathan get now.
But they get money.
They don't get the kind of money.
But they get money.
The kind of money to even go around the country, to give people, they don't get them.
But then go around.
They go around. I think they don't get the kind of money to give people. They give them, they dash them. They don't get.
Okay.
What thing they get now the program where they don't do. They go show you say for Lagos, see what we do. True. See what we do. True. The one we get the money, you don't see the one where they go for Jos. Where they go say Jonathan, you say Buhari. PDP, they will say Buhari. You see her for social media now.
Okay, now talking about program, like you talk, say they tell people say their program. And one of the programs when they talk now to find lasting solution to the problem of Niger Delta.
Not to talk.
But we will come check them now. In the priority list of this government, it be like say now fight, now be number 1. Fight against corruption, fight against opposition. I just they talk or waiting people they talk for outside. Number 1, when the government talk, fight against corruption. Number 2, fight against opposition. Number 3, fight against Bukola Saraki and Ike Ekonemadu. Number 4, fight against fight. We maybe will be able to say fight against Niger Delta. You just like everything about this government and fight. Now, if you promise people, you show them program. It can't be like say that program now, everything don't come change or don't come turn upside down. You don't think say that trust when people no get for government before, it go begin they even they affect them the more. Because if you promise to feed children, if you promise to create jobs, if you promise to do this, if you promise to do that, we're going to see another different thing. You don't think people go begin to think say you don't play them for one.
You see, with a quick forget, and we must all be students of history.
Okay.
What will be the major problem of Nigeria? Just look as Nigeria reach so. We say we get one talk with the talk for street. Say Nigeria, we get IK, ATM card. You know if you break. They don't chop the money before Nigeria comes safe. Before British buy the Nigeria from the company where they buy Nigeria company where they buy them from for 1909. They don't chop the money, you know they break. Our ATM card, no they break. Now, what will be the problem with development no take come? Buhari talk when they go Chatham House. He said if we don't kill corruption will kill Nigeria.
But now all of them now all of them they do the corruption.
Wait now.
Okay.
You born Pikin no gree waka, he no gree talk. And they get to 3-4 years. And they give her food, they shit out. You can't go doctor can't look and say, this Pikin get tapeworm. if you no comot the tapeworm, the food wey go chop to make am bone strong, the food wey go chop to make everything dey kakaraka for the body, if you no comot that tapeworm, nothing go happen. Wetin you go do as doctor, and mama?
You go tell her make you do the surgery now.
Comot the tapeworm. The tapeworm wey we get na corruption. That no mean say as you wan comot the tapeworm, you must begin give the pikin food. Now all the money wey they don collect, you know they fear you. When one person put like $900 million for house, somebody take 100 million naira, they do a big 4.something billion, they do prayer. Prayer. Who you they pay 4.something billion for prayer? One person. And all of that. If you can eliminate corruption, your hospital go work. If you can eliminate corruption, your road go work, road network go work.
True.
You know how much you spend for this year? If your management, they very corrupt, this light no go on.
Now, nothing dey to drink water sef no dey. So make they think inward, no be to begin come discuss with government. How many years they go say they wan discuss with government? For waiting now, waiting dey there. Now God give na this thing. And even say as God give na this thing, shey you dey hear me? All the money when government they give that place as the reservation, make they ask themselves, say, where the money dey? Who chop the money? Shebi Nigeria we dey hear about Asari Dokubo and co. Who him be before? Now I don't become big man, they carry escort, they walk up and down. And now see me I won't come discuss with president. And I want that president make no green, na fire for fire.
You say make you do fire for fire.
I say na fire for fire, na him go do.
No, but this fire for fire now, it just it be like say now we need fire the affair pass so. Because if we talk say we dey produce at some point 2.4 million barrels, now the thing can fall under 1.5. You not think say we supposed do?
My brother, if Guinness no pursue you, no go no say work they don't love. If they no blow all this thing now, government no go they talk say we want diversify our economy. And don't forget say this oil matter, it don't dey Lagos now. It dey Lagos. Even for the north side there, they hear say the thing don't dey there too. So make these people see the bomb, make the bomb they go. One day they go tire.
This one where you even come talk now, you can't even begin to fear me. I go hold on there, make I give out to comrade because comrade when they use olive branch, they wave am before you your own. You carry cutlass, enter inside studio. And comrade, you don't hear what he talk. We know say if we continue like this, now like this the thing go be. But then again, when people they talk say, he who is down needs fear no fall. Fish no dey there before. Land don't spoil. Since if you read government textbook, Ken Saro-Wiwa, everybody when they complain about Nigeria Delta since the problem na say our land don't spoil. Now when this one's going to do am, even the small thing what we even they manage before we diversify finish if they spoil am nko.
Well, our people they talk say the solution for headache no be to comot the head. Me I no go support fire for fire. Because it is better for 20 criminals to escape than for one innocent person to suffer. If they do fire for fire, now the women, the children, I ain't go suffer pass. People wey no sabi anything safe, they go suffer.
True.
I know say as they bomb my company for body, now so it take talk. But me, I go beg. Don't be fire for fire. The solution now for us to sit down, we go talk. We no go tire to talk.
True.
And we go call commit people where we don't vote for, where we don't appoint, to account to the extent that they were responsible for their offices. The local government chairman there, me I don't propose before. Say me Oga Presido, if now once in 3 months or once in 6 months, call all the local government chairman for Nigeria. Say, okay, gentlemen and ladies, we get 4 cardinal programs where we want to make on our face. After we don't take permission from the House of Assemblies and state governors, make people say why I jack the local government for their hand. Primary health care, primary education, rural road network, and water. I want to make we face them. In this first quarter, I go release money, even if na suko, you want release to add up to what they get. Now get better engineers to support them in each region. Come put anti-graft agency, they monitor them like Bulldog. Come say, in this quarter, like Oga Ambo they do for Lagos, we do all those roads, 114 roads. Say in this quarter, all the hospital where you get, we must rehabilitate that to this standard. For Niger Delta, I know say for Bayelsa, some part of rivers and part of Delta, because myself, I'm from Boyo for Isekiri. Hey, girl, I come from the Pidgin Boyo family for Isekiri. My mama side there. So means I've been Niger Delta person. My partner from Ondo. My man are from Lagos, from royal family for Lagos. So I catch all this blood where they inside me. So, okay, do this design for the now. It could be a floating hospital where if you move out from community to community for the riverine, mangrove area. Now our engineers could do it. The military get engineer. Now, all the university, you state governments, I want you to face education very well. The local government must face primary education. We must retrain the teachers.
Comrade, all this way they talk. I can't wonder why no you be president, because you just talk like saying that the solution to the problem. But you come and say the government will get. They know they think. Just say if you go Aso Rock, your thinking go different. Because now the solution you give us like this.
I don't do them before. I do it for my local government.
Why this government no confident do them now?
Hold on. Because of the kata we don't kata kakiri. We go begin, they unbundle the thing. They unbundle them. But you see, all this talk, and chain of command must come to play.
Okay, due process.
It must come to play. If you don't put it to play, we can't achieve it. Now, there the bulldog, then go, they look, they smell, they bark. Say, na yamu, no touch yamu.
True.
If you touch, I go bite you.
Very true. Comrade, make I ask you this question. Some people don't question the commitment of government to this particular thing. We see the time when they launch the cleanup of Ogoniland, and you know the DJ play, blow there, everybody clap, everybody shout. But some people going to say, okay, make we check months down the line. It just be like say the starting, he get plenty gra. Whenever they see work, they go on. Although government don't come and explain, say that thing will take like 25 to 30 years. But some people they talk say they suppose they see. If we go even give excuse for the Avengers them. Make we question the commitment of government to use ensuring say this problem then solve am once and for all. On the one hand, if you dey talk to one dialogue and you come dey do operation crocodile smile, you no think say na two sides of your mouth na you dey use talk.
Wetin dey be say the clean up when we dey talk for Ogoni, e dey go on as me and you dey talk now. E dey go on, no be say e no go on. But the thing be say we know everybody wey go dey see am, na people wey dey there. I didn't know what in the.
But they're supposed to show us, even if not pictures, no, they see videos. People know say work they go on.
If I know say if you Google and now I say what in they happen there, it is possible say if you see am. But what me I know be say me I know be the person when they talk for the government. But me I go talk and say this government when me I know, as they don't start am, they go do am. And they don't tell you say the thing will last like 20-25 years before they go finish am. So now small they go they do am. But that one no be license for other people to begin scatter the area again. So know how the government too go dey, confusion go dey. They repair something, another person they do it, they spoil am. You see, they won't say, he won't begin talk negotiation. The question be say, this negotiation what would they talk, say, the thing they pay me for body. Maybe one day, make sure I will carry gun, enter water, begin shoot. Say they will call me, say, we are coming, we can't talk, I will take settle am. Because me, I no understand. Today now, if you call them, you know, discuss, carry money, give them, or carry them, put for one kind school for abroad. Tomorrow now, that person go stand up again, say into be, this one no go be, what did they call him? Avenger. If it be ninja, if it be anything, they will just call him one kind again, they go stand up again, begin do. How many years won't do this kind of thing? So make the people where they there themselves, make they talk to themselves, say, all this thing, what would they do? What would they do since all this year? They scatter. Shall he pay us? Shall he favor us? Now we they do ourselves. Now in this thing when me at the talk say, you know me, they do me. Now them know themselves, now they do themselves. Because all the thing when they scatter there now, it no affect me. The only thing we go they affect, they say the oil money. Even the oil money say me, as me I did now, me I don't depend on oil money. Waiting me I depend on, now waiting me I take my own hand do.
We get Oga Polycarp, they call us all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Chukode.
I dey greet Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, gentlemen in the studio.
Good morning, Oga.
And Chukode, the question go be.
I said you go national assignment. No worry, from next week you go see him.
Have you done the full business?
From next week you go see him. Make your contribution.
Okay. I thank Mr. Dawale for his analysis.
Thank you.
But the man whether in the middle, I think he's coordinator of national good governance. I don't know whether this government is giving us good governance or what not. But I believe you are one of the supporters of Buhari. You said that they should use fire for fire. in Niger Delta. If the government can negotiate with Boko Haram, which are nothing to offer, how much more the Niger Delta where we get our resources? It is not proper. You cannot quench fire with fire. Our people talk say, where they do medicine for eye, they can't go there. The government should not negotiate with all the people involved. So that we have it. That place will be built and Nigeria will come in peace.
Very, very true.
Calling for fire is not a good advice for this Nigeria we're there now.
Very, very true. Oga Polycarp, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk say fire for fire, no be the way forward. From Enugu, we'll come back to Lagos. Oga David, dey on top of our telephone. Oga David, thank you for your patience. Welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello, good morning.
I dey hear you, Oga David.
Good morning, sir.
I dey greet you.
There's a song that says, truth done lost in this country. I want to ask our guests on the TV, with all the money that they have spent in the Northeast problem, we heard that our president went to America, they gave almost $5 billion, $2.5 billion again, and with Dangote, almost 6.something billion naira, with all the group of all the people, $800 million, $24 million, with all those money, if they give each Northeast person 10 million naira to settle down, they will still have enough money in that place. And now, let me tell that our first brother who has been chairman local of first tax, something like that, he said something that he do some good things before he will become a president in LASU. How many of this group of people that you see right now that have done something to their society before they become something? And now another thing, where is what do you call it? Our former deputy Today Diagbon, Funshaw Williams, Sarowiwa, Fela, and if those people and if the Bolaide, if those people are still alive today, do you think you will not see the truth of the matter of this nation today?
Oga David, na very serious talk. Now you don't talk down. So make we break am into two parts. If we first talk about the fact, say, if we look the way we say this government don't spend money too, say okay, travel, do some kind of things, the region of Northeast and all of those kind of things. If we go fit commit all those kind of funds too for Niger Delta, we foresee better thing. Then you can ask one important question to you, say, the thing what you do for LASU, now people look, can't give you, but say some of the people who get today, they never do them. We get Josephine. After Josephine, we'll take your contribution. Josephine, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning to today. I want to thank for these two people you brought in, especially the first one. I really want to appreciate his contribution. That is the passion for Nigeria. And the second one again that said fire to fire. I want to ask him if he has traveled to the northern part of Nigeria. That is one question I want to ask him. You cannot kill the hen that lays the golden egg. These are people that, have you been to Delta? Have you been to Bayelsa? We have just one road linking Delta, Bayelsa, Port Harcourt. If you are traveling from Lagos, apart from going to Onitsha. Have you traveled Enugu, Port Harcourt to Enugu Road? So what are we saying? These governments have to wake up to their responsibility and do something. Leave the local government, leave the state. The federal works are there for the government to work. Let us see that they have passion for the South-South. This oil is being brought from that area. Things are, you can't go to farm, you can't go to anywhere because of exploitation. And now you are telling it is man humanity, man wickedness to man. That is what we are experiencing from our past and present governments. And I pray God will raise men that will really have the passion of Nigeria in their heart.
Josephine, we say amen to that your Ogbonge prayer. Comrade.
Yeah, you see, the thing be say, sometimes truth dey bitter. But what you mean at the top be say, every state in this Nigeria, they collect money. And every state, as they collect money, suppose they repair waiting, they suppose the money repair. And all these years, you get some people will be say they don't collect this money for these places, Bayelsa or other places where they mention that they go and go. We will ask them, now then you suppose ask, say, this money will not collect. What you not take and do? Now, waiting these people, Avengers suppose they ask their people, say, this money will not collect, what you not take and they do. You hear me? Now, apart from that one, if they ask government now, say, government, come, we'll do road for us. If you don't do this road for us, we'll bomb this oil facility. Government can't say, we no go do it. It's different from this one when they do now.
Okay.
You get what they talk? If they say, okay, government, we need so-so school for so-so place. If you no do it, we go bomb everywhere. Government no come here there. And we go say government no want do it. But this one be say, you know, ask the people when they want to collect the money since. Say what you take the money do.
Very true.
You
But
know,
Kwame,
as a-
talking about responsibility, if I be papa, I dey give my pikin money make e go pay school fees. And I dey hear reports say the same primary 4 when e dey, na him e still dey. E no dey move. And I dey pay school fees. Me wey dey give am that money, I suppose do something to find out. If the federal government na dem dey control everything wey dey come from oil, irrespective of 30% derivation, but you dey give this money and people still dey cry because the days of Jasper Boro, Ken Saro-Wiwa, Asari Dokubo, cry, but some people dey turn billionaires. That government wey dey give the money to these same people, you don't think say we suppose hold them accountable too?
And they suppose hold them accountable. That is where
But
somebody...
if I say your voice come down for that one.
That is where somebody like me, they different.
Okay.
You see, when you did for government, whether you did group A or group B, you get what they join them together.
Okay.
That thing when they join them together, that share,
Okay.
when they want share that cake.
Okay.
You no go there, me no go there. Now then them go there. You get? So when you see that kind of thing when they happen like that, it go there difficult for you. When they say you should share to even open mouth, ask questions, say the thing where I give you, what you take and do.
Okay, so this one now, we go hold the government too responsible and accountable for wetin happen because then all of them dey share the money now.
I never talk say this government dey follow share. You dey hear me?
Okay.
Because this government just enter now.
But e don dey reach 17 months.
And e don dey reach 17 months. I know say e don dey reach 17 months, but with time I know say things go better.
But by the time when this month go finish, e go remain 5 months. If you count like 6 months, everything go all be 2 years. And e just be like say e go better, we no dey say anything. Some people don talk say this government, e be like say na we will, we shall government. Comrade, wetin you get to talk about that one?
Well, the thing with me I go talk is say if you look the government very well, make we comot some kind talk comot. The case of this government na like case of person wey inherit a dilapidating house. You no wan demolish the house. If you demolish the house, people wey dey inside go dey homeless.
True.
But you have to reinforce the house. And you go get to putty the house. And you go change the roof. If you look at international value of Nigeria now, it has increased.
True.
Our passport is being taken more seriously. If you look at in terms of revenue generation, it has improved. Our IGR has moved. If not for so, the bomb wey they don't bomb the pipeline. In fact, federal workers say they crash, they don't get money.
Very true. Comrade, you no go vex. We'll collect this call from Owerri. Make we no vex Governor Rochas Okorocha. Chukwudi, good morning and welcome to Asiri Hot.
Good morning. How are you?
I dey greet your guy Chukwudi.
Yes, I don't know how you doing.
They greet you too.
We did. Good
Now we're
morning,
down.
Mr. Chukwudi.
Yes, let me be very sincere with you, my brother, over this Niger Delta crisis. If you look at this Boko Haram, you know, government told us that there is a bargain. And in bargaining, you give and you take. What it means is that something was given before they collected what was given to us in terms of the cheaper gas. Now, why not the same process, the same method be applied in Niger Delta? I bet you will see results in the next moment. You know, what government has not told us is what they give or what was given before they collected what they have gotten, which is the gas. Something was given. Let's the same method be applied to Niger Delta. Let's give something and they collect something in return. That is the theory of bargaining. Something must be given. And they should stop not being sincere with Niger Delta. I just told you an example of Boko Haram. It is because they are committed. They want to achieve something. And they have started achieving it now. Let the same thing be replicated in Niger Delta. I bet you the cases will stop and things will start coming back to normalcy. Thank you and God bless you.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much for this your important call. In the talk I'm saying na give and take. Say if government fit sit down with Boko Haram Jaguda people, come talk say okay we wan give una something to collect this one. Why they no sit down with the Avengers, give them this one to collect this one? You think say anything dey wrong in the government sitting directly with Avengers rather than elders and leaders wey we don know before wey never do anything?
The way I go put am is say the film dey different. We dey look two different film. The film wey Boko Haram dey show, e dey different too. The cinema wey Avengers dey show, e dey different. You cannot use the same solution to address the same thing. Avengers, they say their people are not developed.
Okay.
The other one, they say they don't even want Western education. There are two different things. Avengers are fighting for development. All the other groups are fighting for development. Then you give them development.
Okay.
Now, in giving development, everybody that is saddled to bring in development must be accountable.
True.
Not only the federal, even down to the local government, down to the councillor. Now, what the talk go harmonize with that?
Exactly.
Everybody go see what things supposed to do. Even more than that, what some of us they canvas for. Now, what happen in those regional times where we get for Nigeria? Make every region fit develop according to what they get.
Very true.
Can't contribute to center.
Very true. I really appreciate this your contribution, but before we can wrap them up, make I try and go give Comrade Declan. Comrade Declan, make I put you for center. The way when these governments they go about this thing, and the way when Avengers they threaten from corner, the way when they count down 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you think say this government will achieve anything with the problem of the Niger Delta?
If I say government go achieve or no go achieve, it go dey too early for me to begin to talk that. But wetin me I know be say this government they move, they waka.
But whether na gear 1 or gear 2 or gear 3, because waka different from waka.
This government they waka, it dey waka.
Snail waka, tortoise waka, or rabbit waka.
If you know waka, the Chibok girls will not go see them. Some of them we don't see.
Okay.
If you know the waka, the people when they cash now say they don't chop our money before. For no they hear them.
Okay.
They hear them.
True.
So if you know the waka, so many projects will be say the former government start when they drop. This government for no touch am.
Very true.
You dey hear me so?
Very true.
So it dey waka, and as it dey waka so make we too dey take prayer dey follow am.
Comrade Declan and Comrade Ayodele, I appreciate the fact that we carry waka enter inside our studio even though na on short notice. And this way when we say we don't address this particular issue, I dey very sad to say we will continue to discuss the matter they go. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. When they talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. Una thank you. Una bye bye. Thank you very much, sir, for coming.
Thank you for
I appreciate it. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.